So for the last 5 years, Bertha's tailgate here has been held up with a ratchet strap. Time to fix that. So to fix that, looks like this one's got some little nipples there that hold it shut. They appear to be missing on this one. So I ordered some and let's put them in. And I'll try and get a link to these in the description, but it looks like they go there. And unfortunately, there's no easy way to just screw them into nothing. So we better take that off with them 2 Phillips heads. Don't want to drop those. Then it's got them 2 pop rivets that just pop out. But now we can put that in there. Let's go find a nut for that. Deep in the hardware pile, a washer and a nut that'll kind of fit on there. Sometimes you gotta get something in there to pop them rivets out. Yeah, those 2 nipples end up in them holes. Anyhow, now we can get a nut on this one. All right, let's tighten those up. So it looks like the head of these little tailgate nipples is a Torx T-40 Star Bit. Want them good and tight. Some Loctite might be a good idea. Other nut. That's stripped. That's good. All right, let's see if it'll shut on its own. That's pretty nice. Oh, this one's loose. That nut wasn't right. Found the correct size nut. All right, let's see if that'll shut, y'all. Looks like this one needs to come down. Maybe this one needs to come down too. Fixed. Just line them up. And let's see that tailgate. Nice.